Worried about whether your retirement savings can withstand economic uncertainty? Gold and silver have helped investors stay confident through past crises. Gold and silver have been steady stores of value through periods of inflation, recessions, and financial instability. The Why Precious Metals Guide explains that these metals have historically held or increased their worth even when other investments faltered. Owning tangible metals isn't about chasing quick gains. It's about providing a layer of protection that can help your retirement savings stay resilient. You can see how gold rose over 1,000% during the 1970s inflation and more than 100% during the 2008 financial crisis. This guide shows how owning precious metals can provide peace of mind in uncertain times. I've linked this one in the description. This is just one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle, alongside titles like the Silver Scheme Report and Digital Dollar Report, all designed to give you a clear, confident view before making any investment decisions. Download your free guide to see how gold and silver can help you build confidence in your retirement plan, even when markets are unpredictable. You can find the link in the description.